Hey girl, hey, it's Dior. Yeah girl, I know it has been a minute since I posted my last video. I feel like that was probably like over 2 years ago, and guys, I've gotten so much better since then. And you know, I've only gotten better just because I've been patient with myself, I've been consistent, I've been working, I've been staying motivated, and literally that's it. Like, that is the key, and you have to want it. Y'all know, y'all have to want it. You gotta want it, you gotta see it, you gotta believe it. And that's exactly what I've been doing, and I've been moving swiftly through this process thanks to God, honestly. But enough of that. I'm gonna just walk you guys through this tutorial. I did an ombre set for you guys. Just pay attention to all my techniques that I'm doing. I've been having a lot of girls DM me, ask me to drop tutorials, so this is really for you. And I want to just keep you guys motivated, keep you guys consistent. It's very important in this industry, guys. If you want to get better, you have to stay consistent, and that's just the end of it. You got to be consistent, baby. So this is just the process of what I did to create this ombre set. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about the products I use, if I didn't list them, please comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment. Let me know you're enjoying it. And yes, thank you guys. If you guys want more content as well and to stay updated with me kind of on the daily, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Dior. We are on the road to 20K. Can y'all believe it? I remember I couldn't even get over 60 followers, y'all. But like I said, consistency and praying and all of that. But thank you guys for watching. All right. you.